Welcome to our first ever virtual Scholastic Book Fair. You can find the book fair on the Marshall Middle School homepage, located under Announcements next to Scholastic Virtual Book Fair. Click on the tab, and it takes you to our welcome page. There's an infographic with frequently asked questions, like where do I access the book fair? There are multiple places to find access to our book fair. The website is just one of them. There's what is the Bitmoji slide deck? Well, I'm about to show you that. Which 2021 Battle of the Books are offered with Scholastic? Many. And how do I make sure MMS earns rewards for this fundraiser? I will show you in this video. And what exactly does this fundraiser fund? Marshall Middle School utilizes Scholastic for classroom and leisure book sets, Scholastic magazines for in-class use, as well as digital access, such as Freedom Flicks, Science Flicks, and more. So back up at the top, we're going to click here. This will take you to the slide deck. This Bitmoji slide deck has hyperlinks to all sorts of items embedded in this one slide. So anywhere your cursor turns into a finger pointing, you can click and access all of those pieces of information. So let's start with the actual book fair. So you can click on the cart. Here is our portal page to the book fair. If you scroll down, it shows you two ways to shop online. You can go directly to the store, or you can actually experience the virtual book fair with bookshelves all set up in a 360 view. So let's shop the virtual fair. You'll see this yellow screen that asks you to sign in. If you are a parent or guardian, your first step should be to sign in. If you are a student, you can click No Thanks, Not Now. Eventually, though, your parent or guardian will need to sign in for you to actually purchase your books and for those credits to go towards Marshall Middle School. So if I was a student, I would click No Thanks, Not Now. This gives you access to the 360 view of the virtual book fair. Families, please notice that there are preschool, elementary, and middle school options. Students, please notice there are preschool, elementary, and middle school options. I don't know about you, but I love picture books just as much as chapter books. So please find what you like and get it. So let's click on middle school. Here it shows you two sets of carts and posters that you can access for more information about the book fair. If you click in the middle of the cart, it gives you a close-up view. You can even maximize your screen to zoom in. All of the different little circles with books in them gives you a bigger view of that book, as well as a little bit of a synopsis. You can add it to the cart then, or you can exit. You can also click on these green screens. There's a video that plays there. It says, click here to watch a video. So if you click there,
your favorite video games are now your new favorite graphic novels.
A video pops up, and you can watch through tons of different videos. Maybe you want to take a step back away from this cart. At the bottom, there's a black button called Step Back. Now we're back to our middle school view. I can go over to the left to the other cart and take a look, or I can click on these posters with a circle that says www, and it opens up a whole new window, but you're still within the Marshall Middle School Fair, and it gives you all sorts of options for books. In this case, this category is called Share Kindness and Celebrate Diversity. You can exit this window by closing down the tab, and it takes you right back to the virtual fair. You can check out elementary school just by clicking on the button or by clicking and dragging your screen. You can look at this fair for elementary options. And you can add books to your cart. If you're a student, once you've added all of your books, you would then want to ask for your parent or guardian to come over to your computer, and you would click on the cart in the upper right corner. This is where parents or guardians, you'll see this yellow banner with the heart and the school on it, and it says Start Earning Rewards for Marshall Middle School. You would then need to sign in or register. The sign-in process is very simple. They ask for your name, your first and last name, an email address, you set up a password, and then it connects you to the actual Marshall Middle School site for earning rewards. Once you're done doing that, you can make your purchase and check out, and then Marshall Middle School receives 25% back towards these purchases so that we can then put more books in the library, in your classrooms, and more digital services like Freedom Flicks and Science Flicks. There are other options back on the slide deck. You can check out more videos at Book Highlights and Videos, like this. There's K through 3, 4 through 6, and other commercials. These are all book trailers and author trailers. You could go to book blurbs. You can go to the paper catalog. There's a scavenger hunt in here as well. Or something brand new, there are Battle of the Books that are being offered in the Scholastic Book Fair. So you can click on the banner for Battle of the Books, and any book that has a star next to it means that it is part of the Battle of the Books this year. If you're not familiar with Battle of the Books, stay tuned for next week where I give another tutorial about Battle of the Books. Thank you for supporting Marshall Middle School, and thank you for supporting a love of reading in your students.